Hello friends. We have all experienced classroom study in school, but online learning is something completely different. Here are 6 practical tips to show you how to study online and achieve online study success. Number 1, set daily goals for studying. Ask yourself what you hope to accomplish in your course each day. Setting a clear goal can help you stay motivated. The goal should be specific and easy to measure, such as I will watch all the videos in Module 2 and complete the first programming assignment. And don't forget to reward yourself when you make progress towards your goal. Number 2, create a dedicated study space. It's easier to recall information if you're in the same place where you first learned it, so having a dedicated space at home to take online courses can make your learning more effective. Remove any distractions from the space, and if possible, make it separate from your bed or sofa. A clear distinction between where you study and where you take breaks can help you focus. Number 3, schedule time to study on your calendar. Open your calendar and choose a predictable, reliable time that you can dedicate to watching lectures and completing assignments. This helps ensure that your courses won't become the last thing on your to-do list. Number 4, actively take notes. Taking notes can promote active thinking, boost comprehension, and extend your attention span. It's a good strategy to internalize knowledge whether you're learning online or in the classroom. So, grab a notebook or find a digital app that works best for you and start synthesizing key points. Number 5, take breaks. Resting your brain after learning is critical to high performance. If you find yourself working on a challenging problem without much progress for an hour, take a break. Walking outside, taking a shower, or talking with a friend can re-energize you and even give you new ideas on how to tackle that project. Number 6, do one thing at a time. Multitasking is less productive than focusing on a single task at a time. Stay focused on one thing at a time. You'll absorb more information and complete assignments with greater productivity and ease than if you were trying to do many things at once. These are the effective tips to study online. Follow these